Victim representative Erika Scholtes is online. Ma'am, do you want to be heard?
I would like to be heard, please. And Your Honor, is it okay if I do not show myself?
That's fine.
So thank you for allowing me to speak. I just wanted to say that no one understands how great of a tragedy this is more than myself, my girls, my remaining two daughters, and Christopher. So not only do we have to move forward with grieving for my daughter, but we potentially could be losing their father. So the absolute worst case scenario for our family is if Chris were be away from us. We're already hurting. No one else shares this bond and this trauma like all of us, all four of us. I know the significance of the tragedy, and I don't want you to think for a second that I underestimate the impact that it has on our lives, on everyone's lives, or that I'm undermining your concerns about the safety of those in our household. So I'm just asking if you can allow him to come home to us so we can all start the grieving process so that he can bury our daughter with us this upcoming week, and that we can go through this whole process together as a family. And so I understand that there is a concern for a flight risk. I just don't see that as a thing. We live in this home that all of our girls were brought home in. If anything, Chris wants to stay here. He's always been cooperative through this entire process, and we'll ensure that we have continued cooperation. And if there's anything additional that is needed from the courts to ensure our safety, I'm happy to help with those certainties that are needed. He's an amazing father. He's a pillar of our community. He's been a coach for young kids. He's taken them to school every day. He's been the main caregiver. I work many hours, so they're all that he sees. This was a big mistake, and I think that this doesn't represent him. And I just want the girls to see their father so that I don't have to tell them tonight that they're going to endure another loss.
Thank you, ma'am.
And that's all I have to say, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right.